The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my dans and Dan it is it. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you one video that is being talked about on social media, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video be recorded. The video shows some things that happened when a person was being arrested or detained by a law enforcer or law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows a law enforcer holding on to the man who was being arrested or detained, and the man who was being arrested or detained kicked one of those law enforcers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about this video as well. See? Now, please bear in mind that this video shows a certain amount of persons at a location where the video will be recorded, my viewers and subscribers, and when the video will be recorded as well. And the video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
¿Viste la patada que le metió a la tipa? ¿Viste la patada que le metió a la tipa? Pero amarillo. No chico. No chico. Cuando tan feliz, ahora no para que nada. No quiere entrar. No quiere entrar. Sí, no, no, fíjate que hay que irme por ahí. Hoy vamos a preguntar. ¿Pero qué fue lo que pasó? No sé qué pasó. La vaina con el tipo ese que está ahí. Pero no sabemos qué fue lo que pasó.
Dice que estaba pinchando un palo.
Pero pura mujer. Y luego que hay uno de patas a la mujer. Porque lo que ya está ahí.
Well, I got some unconfirmed information about the situation shown in the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me if all of those law enforcers that you saw in the video that I just presented to you are municipal police, or if they are not municipal police. You can tell me if some of them are municipal police or what. You understand me? Yeah, and you see the man who was being arrested or detained by a law enforcer or law enforcers, if that man was not in trouble before, then according to some things that I saw and heard in that video, I think that that man might be in trouble for at least one thing that he had done. Yes, what I say? Anyways, I move on to another topic. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that a man who goes by the name of Donovan Miller, who is said to be in his 30s, strangled his grandmother and had sexual intercourse with her corpse more than once. Now, when I read the first news article about this whole situation, the viewers and subscribers, I was so surprised. That's me started to do research to see if me can find more news articles about this whole situation, and I did. And according to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the whole incident happened sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. See it? See it? So, the news article gave me the understanding that the grandmother who lost her life goes by the name of Phyllis Grant, and that she was in her 70s at the time when she lost her life or when the incident happened. And the news article also gave me the understanding that the person who goes by the name of Donovan Miller beat his own grandmother over her head with a vase, and that they did share a home that is located somewhere within East London. See? Now, this part of the news article said that police arrived at the address sometime after 10 p.m. on March 25th, the year 2021, after Miller called the police saying he had killed his own grandmother the night before. The news article also said that Miller told the paramedics some things that he had done, viewers and subscribers. I mean, some of the things them that this news article said, I don't really want to repeat some of the things them because it is somewhat gruesome in my point of view. You understand? See? So, the news article basically gave me the understanding that Miller confirmed that he had sex with his grandmother's corpse after she had died and told the police he was dependent on cocaine but had no mental health issues. See? So, the news article also gave me the understanding that Miller, who is the grandson, denied murder but admitted to manslaughter and doing certain things to the corpse. You know what I mean? I tell them, my people, it's like I can't believe. It's like I know me asking myself, say somebody really and truly do these kind of things. Eh? 3 psychiatric reports were written, and it was agreed by 3 experts that Miller was suffering from an abnormality of the mind at the time of the attack. You understand? Yeah, the news article also said some things that gave me the understanding that a doctor said that Miller was likely to have been suffering from some form of symptoms or something by the use of cocaine. You understand? Yeah, I can't really and truly pronunciate some of these words, viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to go on like say me as some form of expert. But is it another part of the news article also gave me the understanding that a judge sentenced Miller with an indefinite hospital order with restrictions. See? So, I guess I saw that the viewers and subscribers. So, may I say, but brain problem, my people. So, may I say, brain problem. An innocent woman lost her life by a family member. And at least one news article that I read gave me the understanding that doctors or experts come to a conclusion that the man had some form of mental health issue or issues. See? Drugs, brain problem. I tell you, people, this terrible, man. May I tell you. Anyways, may I move on to another topic. So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the bodies of 2 persons had been found at a place that is located somewhere within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, on the 1st of April, the year 2022. According to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that one of the deceased goes by the name of Jason White, and he's said to be 17-year-old, and he's a Central High School student. See? The news article also said that the other person who died is said to be 19-year-old and goes by the name of Lyndon Brown. See, now the news article said that the bodies of the two persons had been found at a place that is known as Sevens Heights in Mapen, Clarendon on the 1st of April, the year 2022. See me I say? You understand? So it is said that on Friday, residents within that community or the area stumbled upon the decomposing bodies in bushes, and the police was summoned, and the police arrived at the scene where those bodies was found. You see me I say? Now, the news article went on to give description of clothing that they were wearing and so forth. As I say, and other things raising subscribers. You see me? But I think I'm going to leave that right there. It's just to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Really sad though. It's really sad. As I say, I tell you. I am my people. I have some mega left it now. So big up and respect. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Walk safe and stay good.